scientific consultancy firm based here in Hamilton. We help people, first of all, get their products to market when they have chemicals in them.
During this pandemic right now, you have a lot of companies trying to manufacture sanitizers and disinfectants, and now they're realizing that even though Health Canada may have made the process a little bit easier during the interim measures put in place, there is still a fairly large hurdle to the industry to get these products out and get them to consumers so they can use them. So we step in and help these companies, walk them through the whole process. So what we've put together is this virtual classroom to provide a general overview on the global biocidal regulations and legislations with a focus on disinfectants and special measures that have been put in place to meet the demand caused by, obviously, this virus's spread.
This is kind of a global effort. So the course is covering everything from the EU regulations, which are incredibly complex normally, to the North American regulations, the Canadian regs, Australia, and Asia Pacific as well.
It is good to still feel like we're able to contribute and help out in this pandemic.